Jamaican ghost stories that will keep you up at night. The Backroad Hotel. Part 2. She got home at around 9 p.m., hopped in the shower and made sure down there was smooth like silk. She put on her pink lingerie that she only wore once before, and cocoa buttered down from head to toe, remembering to spray a little perfume on the back of her knees. She was ready. She put on the rest of her clothes and called the boy. The boy, who just took a bath after work and changed his clothes, called Mice and Teasy taxi service and gave them his address. He then picked up the girl down the road. The guy told the taxi man that they will be making another stop at 10's Mild Flower. They got the liquor, then left. All of the popular hotels were full, so they ended up booking a night at one of the more shady hotels. As they walked up the rusty metal stairs, they looked at each other smiling, shutting the world off around them. They entered their room and turned the lights on. The girl packed out the liquor and started rolling up while sitting on the bed. He gave her some liquor and a soft kiss. She took a sip while holding on to him, then drew him close to her. They ripped each other's clothes off, and as soon as he entered her, the bathroom faucet turned on.
See Part 3.